Hey, it's Jerry again with Sky Management. This has nothing to do with RVs or apartments per se, but I work in a very small office. This is the size of a broom closet. And one of the biggest problems that I've been having recently is some problems with some stiff neck. And I went and saw a chiropractor, and they asked, do you do work in front of a computer? Yeah, we do, signing leases and different things like that. But as you can see, with leases and masks and keys and everything, I'm hunched over doing this, and there's got to be a way to free up some desk space, raise the monitor. I can't mount it to the wall because we've got a window here, and that was one of the big things. People said, just mount your monitor to the wall. I can't do that. I've got a giant window. So I was searching online and came across this product, Atumtek monitor stand. It's about $20 on Amazon. We'll put a link below. I'm going to go ahead and order one, and we're going to see how well it does. Postman just delivered. This package came to me. Nice bubble wrap package. Well shipped. It's my Atumtek little monitor riser thing. It's lightweight. It says online it was aircraft grade aluminum. So what's in the box? I will say everything is wrapped extremely well. It's all a nice matte black, powder coated finish. It's got a little bit of hardware, but it's not anything that looks like you couldn't finger type most of it on there. There's the other side, so it won't be as complicated, I don't think, as it looks. There's the two sides and the main part. Again, packaging, they've gone above and beyond on the packaging. You got a user's guide, instruction manual, a little thank you card that they send there. I will say that initial reactions are, I'm pretty impressed actually with the quality. You can zoom in and kind of see the quality of this stuff. It seems like it's pretty robust. In putting this together, and I haven't even looked at the instructions yet, I'm going to guess it's going to go on there something like that. Something like this to adjust it on the stand, but we'll look at the instructions. Got it put together, fairly simple. I don't want to say it's completely idiot proof, but there's just 6 screws, 3 on each side, that clicks into that plate, and this other little plate hooks in underneath the back with these little twisty screws to tighten it in. It's got 3 different settings, and to change them you just loosen them up, adjust to the different setting, and tighten them down. For our intents and purposes back here, I've got it set on the middle setting because that seemed to be about what it's going to take to raise my monitor up to get it where it needs to be. It is extremely sturdy. I'm pretty happy with that. It did come with a couple of extra screws, and there's no extra screw hole, so I'm not exactly sure what that was. And it did come with the tool to put that in there, a little screwdriver tool there. Now, one thing I will note, this is the smaller of the 2 sizes from this company, this Atumtek company, and it is the size that we think would fit best for our desk. However, they do show putting keyboards directly underneath it. That is like a smaller Apple style keyboard. We have an HP wireless keyboard, looks something like this with our Office, which is going to be fine, except for the fact that it's not going to slide underneath there, but that's okay. I've got a couple of speakers and a stapler and a tape dispenser and stuff, which will hide underneath there and just leave the keyboard out in front, but I did want to make sure people were aware of that. Unless you have a real small keyboard, you're probably going to want to have a larger size to be able to put the big one underneath there. Genuinely, I like it. It's not the one you can slide the keyboard back under, but I probably wouldn't have done that anyway because of the fact that I wouldn't type with it underneath there. But by just raising this up about 4 inches, I can put everything underneath there. We've got room for a square device, USB ports. They even got a little pin area to keep a pin close by. Freed up a lot of this excess stuff back here on the desk. So you got more room for things, and it keeps it more line of sight. If I could have mounted this on a wall, it may have been different, but I couldn't do that because of the window. So I think this product really is going to help out really well. So thank you, Atumtek. I appreciate that. It looks like it's going to be a great product.